Hey, what's up, guys? Got something pretty cool that showed up while I was on vacation. This wasn't the big surprise I was talking about, but this is a big surprise to me. We'll show you what we got. Vevor, tough tools, half price. Let's see what's in here. Well, for cardboard, this thing's packed in here pretty nice. At first I thought it was like a small wood crate until I actually touched it, the way this thing's packed in there. So let's get it out and we'll show you. There it is, boys. A Magdrill. Been wanting one of these for a long time. Morgan got this for me for our anniversary. I was actually really surprised to see this. And she's pretty good at holding on to a secret, actually. So we got this. We got the container for the self-lubricating. We got the chuck, some Allen wrenches, chuck and Allen wrenches, a couple other miscellaneous pieces in here. The lubrication tube, the handles, and annular cutters. Pretty freaking stoked about this, and I'm gonna have to get it all assembled. I've never used one before, but I'm gonna learn, and we're gonna have some fun with this thing. Definitely gonna make drilling holes and stuff a lot easier, especially with the annular cutters. I'm pretty stoked about that. But I'm actually just getting home. It's a long day, kind of a late night, so we'll probably play around with this tomorrow. Also, we're gonna go do some more tool shopping tomorrow for that super secret reveal thing that's coming up soon. Realistically, that reveal is going to be in a couple weeks. I'm waiting on shipping and so on and so forth. There's a few week lead time on what I'm getting. But in the meantime, I'm going to get that all pieced together and play around with it. And then it's probably going to sit right up there somewhere. Anyway, shop update. Hit that like, subscribe, touch the notification bell. This is Midnight Customs. Thank you.